Hey, welcome to another video. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? And this is specifically geared towards beginners, okay? So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you are wondering what high ticket affiliate marketing is, this video is definitely worth checking out, okay? But before I get into all this, if this is your first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is A.R. Rizvi, and on my channel, as you can tell by the name, it's all about affiliate marketing, okay? So do consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button, and keeping in touch with the content that I put out on my channel, okay? So with all that done, let's get right into it. I don't want to waste your time and talk about like high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? So you can see it right in front of you. What is high ticket affiliate marketing, okay? So you when you're promoting a product and you get like commissions of between $500 to $1,000 per referred sale. I actually got this off Google. That's what high ticket affiliate marketing is. So when you get commissions of $500 and above, right, that's what it is. Okay. So when you like sign up for high ticket affiliate programs, it means that you're getting the opportunity to, promote the high ticket products and get higher commissions, right? It's obvious. But the thing is that without driving any more traffic, so what that means is that if you're promoting, let's say, a $20 program, $30, $40 program, you're going to do the same amount of work promoting those products as you would with high ticket affiliate products, right? So it would make sense, right, if you were to promote high ticket products, right? You're doing the same amount of work. So that's what point number 2 here actually means. So why not, if you're spending the same amount of time, you're spending the same amount of, time on getting traffic, leads and all that stuff. Why not promote high ticket, right? And it's all about maximizing your earnings without having to put any additional work, right? So that's what high ticket affiliate marketing is. But what I wanted to show you today is, if you're a beginner, right, and you're thinking, well, okay, that's all great, but where do I go and get these products to promote, right? What product do I go and promote? That's one of the biggest, stumbling blocks that you have. What high ticket product do I go out there and promote, right? And also, how do I go about setting it all up, right? So you're a beginner and you're like, right, I would love to earn these commissions. That sounds really great, cool. But how would I go about doing this, right? I've never done this before. I have never, I have never picked a product out. I don't know how to get the leads that you're talking about, the traffic. How do I do all this, right? Putting all those pieces all together, right? So you have two options, okay? One is you go out there and you learn all this, okay? You can go out there and buy affiliate program courses, right? There's plenty out there, plenty of like gurus who are promoting their courses and they're going to sell those courses and you would buy them, right? And you'd go through those courses. The other option is that you go through YouTube, okay? And you watch all these free videos and you try and piece things together and hopefully that will work for you, right? There is actually another option, right, which is that you piggyback off piggyback as in like you use a done for you system, okay? And that's what I want to talk to you about, because if you're a beginner and you use done for you systems, then you're going to be more of an advantage, right? Because you're able to get your feet wet and start earning much quicker, much faster than going through all these courses and spinning, going around spinning your wheels kind of thing, right? Because there's a lot of things to learn, but then what happens is, analysis paralysis type of thing, where you're just going through courses, and you're like, that's all great, but I'm not earning, right? So my recommendation would be that you consider using a done for you system. Now, let me give you some of the advantages, right, of a done for you system, right, which is actually on my next slide, if I'm able to do that. Here we go. So what if, right, there's like a system out there that promotes high ticket offers, okay, on your behalf, as it says here, where you can earn $2,000 plus commissions, right? $2,000 plus commissions, okay? And what if there's a system out there that allows you to promote not just one product, but like 4 products with just literally one affiliate link, okay? Right? And you don't have to worry about choosing like the right products. Remember, I was talking to you about, well, what kind of high ticket product do I go for? I don't know anything, right? What if that's already been chosen for you? Okay. And you're able to literally take that system, okay, plug into that system and start promoting it, right? Imagine you're able to do that, right? And, what if you don't have to create, the third point here is your own like lead capture pages, video sales letters, webinars, dealing with your own leads, like the follow-up, email marketing. Because if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're like thinking, well, what is he talking about? All these things. When all the successful affiliate marketers have these things in place, okay? It's like basically a funnel, a system in place, okay? And these are the, pieces of the puzzle, if you want to call it, where you have these lead capture pages, video sales, all these things, right? Like I said, you can learn all this, okay? Or you can plug into a system that is actually working and quite successfully, okay? And set yourself up using that system. And the last point is that what if you plug into the system and you get bonuses, right, as well, that can actually help you promote the system, right? Can help you get free and paid traffic at the same time, right? So you're probably wondering, well, what is this system all about? How is this going to work? Let me just briefly show you what the system is, okay? And then you can decide for yourself if you want to plug into it. The cool thing about this system is that you can get access to it for free. So you can actually get access to the system for free, okay? And then once you're in the system, you will learn about all the different products and all that stuff, right? So let me quickly pause this and show you exactly what the system is. So this is the system itself. So if you were to check this out, right, you wanted to check this out, you can check it out by clicking on the first link below in my description. You can check this system out. The system is actually called Profits Passport, okay? And basically what this does is exactly what I've told you, okay? It automates a lot of the, basically choosing the product, how to promote it, getting traffic, it automates pretty much everything, right? So, and you can earn high ticket commissions with this system, right? Now, what you would do is simply, you can read this and then click, basically enter your email address, okay? And click on continue. When you do that, you're going to go through a set of videos, okay? By a guy called David, okay? David basically will walk you through and take you step by step as to what this system is, how it all works, and what you can do to basically set yourself up, right? Now, the cool thing is that once you're in the system, I'm going to show you actually, once you're in the members area, I just want to briefly show you what it looks like, okay? So this is the members area, okay? Now, again, everything is laid out in a step-by-step, very easy way. You just need to follow everything step by step, right? Let me just pause this video. Okay, you'll watch this intro video, all right? And then what you will do is you would go about and set up your system. Okay, so you got 4 income streams. Remember, I was talking to you about different income streams. This particular system has 4 different income streams. Okay, the highest, so the highest that you can earn, right, with one of the products is $3,200 in commissions. Okay, but with income stream number 1, you can earn $2,000 commissions, okay, once you set the system up. Okay, so it's really straightforward. Okay, all you need to do is basically follow the instructions and set the system up. Okay, so you have like other like marketing materials and everything, and all will make sense when you actually go through it. Okay, one of the things that I would say, closing on from closing this video, is as a beginner affiliate marketer, all right, and especially if you're looking to like do high ticket affiliate marketing or whatever affiliate marketing that you're going to do, one of the most important things that you can do, right, is listen to instructions and follow the steps as they're laid out. Okay, because a lot of people, they complicate things, okay, unnecessarily. Okay, and you don't need to be one of those people, right? This system is very, very simple to use if you follow everything step by step. Everything has been laid out, right? Everything has been thought of and laid out in a way where anybody with any experience can start generating income and basically tap into high ticket affiliate marketing and start generating those high ticket commissions, right? Now, there is a Facebook group with tons of results. Actually, I wanted to quickly show you. Let me pause this video and I'm going to show you some of the results. So I've opened up the Facebook group, all right, and this is the guy behind the system, David Dekel, his name is, and the system is Profits Passport. Now, these are some of the results that people are getting with this system. Okay, so this is a recent post 20 hours ago, $4,000 in 24 hours by this guy. Phenomenal results. You're going to see 7,000 in commissions in the last 2 days. Some of the results that you're just seeing, 2K commission coming in. Here, $26,000, over $26,000 in 33 days. Okay, with this system. People are posting, David here himself, $2,700 today, and then all these results. He's already, in 2 days ago, this post, he said that he's already made over 56K for the last 32 days. Okay, phenomenal results. Okay, this system works. Okay, $2,000 commission here. You can just keep scrolling, and literally I can keep scrolling, and you're just going to see results after results from different people, results and results and results. Okay, so the choice is yours. Okay, you can, like I said, you can go out there and if you want to do this all yourself, you can learn this and go about learning and implementing it yourself, or you can just literally plug into a system which is given to you on a plate. You don't actually pay for this system, Profits Passport itself. All right. You just get this system itself, and then you plug in, you go through the step-by-step process, and you activate all your income streams. Where you will be paying money is when you're activating your income streams. Okay. And the more income streams you activate, the more you will be able to earn. Pretty simple. Okay. So I'm going to close off with this video. Hopefully you got some knowledge, some value from it. Let me know in the comments below. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Take care. Bye.